In this final part of the module, we'll bring everything together that we've learned so far and add some 3D effects to the mix. We will also take a look at animations, what they are, and how they work. An animation is a visual effect that creates the illusion of movement or change in an object. In PowerPoint, animations allow you to control how objects appear, move, or disappear on a slide. You can find animations in the Animation tab by clicking on the Animation pane. If you click Play From in the Animation pane, you can preview the animations in action. Now, let's add the final product ourselves. Go to Slide 1 and add the transparent styling balm from the materials provided. Then, crop the image and resize it to your preference. Once done, place it in the top left corner. Now, let's format it like the other objects. Right-click one of them and go to the Formatting pane. Under Effects, click 3D Rotation. Here, we can see that the X and Z rotation are set to about 180 degrees. Now, let's apply the same settings to the styling balm. Let's play the slide and see what happens. Here, we can see that the new object doesn't share the same animations as the others. Let's fix that. First, we need to add an animation. Go to the Animations tab, click Add Animation, and select Bounce. Let's play the slide and see what happens. Here, the animation doesn't appear. That's because the other animations are set to start automatically, while ours is set to On Click. Let's fix that. Go to the Animation pane and right-click on the styling balm that we forgot to rename. Quick tip: it's a good idea to rename your objects to make navigation easier. Now, right-click on the item and select Start with Previous. This ensures the animation starts automatically when you play the slide. But the object still disappears when the slide ends. This happens because we need the object on the second slide for the morph transition to take effect. So, let's rename it, then copy it into slide 2, and remove its 3D effects. Let's play the slide and see what happens. It's still not working. This happens because when we copy an object, we also copy its animations. Let's delete it and try again. Very good. Now, we just need to add the shadows, and we're done with the object. So, right-click the image one last time, or simply go to the Formatting pane. Click Shadows, then go to Presets, and select Perspective Upper Right. Well done. If you thought that was a bit tedious, especially when working with multiple objects, let me show you a trick to make it easier. There are two useful tools, Animation Painter and Format Painter. Let me show you. I'll try copying in the transparent styling balm again. First, click on an object that has the formatting you want to copy. Then, go to the Home tab, click Format Painter, and click on the new object to apply the formatting. You can do the same with the Animation Painter. Go to the Animations tab, select an object with the animation you want to copy, then click Animation Painter and apply it to the new object. There you go. Very easy and convenient. Now, let's finish this up. Go to Slide 2 and copy-paste one of the text boxes. Then, copy in the text from the materials provided and use the Format Painter to match the styling. Finally, drag the text box to where it fits best, and we're done with this module. Don't forget to rename the description box. Now, give it one last play and enjoy your creation. See you in the next module.